You're never going to believe what this house looked like before. But we're going to go in there and I'm going to show you everything that we've done. This is our Dowdy to Darling house, and it's definitely darling now. So that is such a difference. It's so bright. I love it. So we were concerned when we were doing this house about the square footage, but actually we didn't get a single comment on any of the feedback about the square footage of this house. And I think it's so obvious why not. Because once that wall was gone right here, it just opened this up. We have this wonderful dining area over here, but there's additional dining area here as well. We did a little upgrade on the appliances, a little higher end on those. We have brand new cabinets. We went with glass along the sink. Another thing we did, you may notice, is we did a two-tone kitchen. So our island is in that lovely gray color that's so popular right now. And then our kitchen, our back wall, is in white. One thing that I had wanted to add to this project was the windows. But if you know anything about what's going on with windows right now, you'll understand. It is taking weeks and months to get your windows in. So what we did instead was offer it to the buyers as an incentive, that we can either pay for the windows prior to close, and after your close, once they actually float into Dallas, they will come and install them. But they were also given the option of just taking the money of what the windows cost, and we had written estimates for that, and taking it off the top of the price. In the end, that's what the buyers chose on this. Let me give you the breakdown of the numbers. I purchased this house for $305,000. I had a budget of $50,000. We actually spent $49,000, so we came in $1,000 under budget, yay. And that includes the roof, doing all the new flooring, new plumbing, adding that half bathroom, a new panel box, which we moved from the interior to the exterior of the property, new HVAC system, new stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, new marble countertops. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but I probably am, because that's a lot of stuff. And we sold for $430,000. And that's with the discount for the windows. We have a gross profit of $73,000, if I can do the math right. And that's before money cost and your closing costs. So obviously that's going to come down. If you want to learn more about flipping houses, click this video here. Want to flip houses with somebody else's money? Sounds like a great idea. Let's talk about it. 20 plus years ago, Leah thought the greatest thing to do was do one house at a time. Buy it, use her own money, fix it up, and then sell it. Until she got smart and she started using other people's money.